Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing opening trap that takes place when the game begins with d4. This is the queen pawn opening, but when we play e5 it gets transformed into the England gambit, which is my favorite. This is not played that much by black players, so white players don't know much how to counter this. Usually the gambit is accepted, which is the England gambit accepted, and very few times the gambit is declined. But today we're going to stick to the accepted variation. After d takes e5 we play knight c6, adding an attacker. White players usually play knight f3 rather than bf4. So knight f3 we add another attacker q e7 and bishop f4 to protect the pawn. After which we do another pretty sneaky thing, which is king check, king forked with the bishop. Now there are two logical moves here. The most logical one is bishop d2, but if queen d2 is, we're going to talk about knight d2 later in some other video, but today's video we're going to stick with queen d2 and bishop d2. So if it's bishop d2, I will explain it in the next few seconds. But if it's queen d2, we do queen takes b2, attacking the rook. Now the only way to protect that rook is to move your queen to c3, attacking the queen and actually offering to exchange the queens. But then we play the lethal move bishop b4, pinning the queen to the king. So the our queen cannot be captured, which is also supporting our bishop. So after queen takes, we can do two moves, but that is knight takes b4 or queen takes b4. But I prefer queen takes b4 check because it forks the king and bishop again. So after the king saves, we capture the bishop. Okay, moving on bishop d2. When it's bishop d2, we do the same thing again, queen takes b2 and attacking on the rook. The white player should do some magic with the knight, which I'm going to explain in the next video what to do as white. But the most tempting move that takes place here is bishop to c3, which is not the best move here. Again, here we do bb4, bishop takes b4, and we can again do any of the two moves, queen takes b4 or knight takes b4. But here I would prefer knight takes b4 as it threatens a fork on c2. This fork cannot be avoided unless the queen takes the rook, or it's game over for the a1 rook. Okay, so that was the bishop variation, and as you may guess, we're gonna play some bots in chess.com, the England Gambit. Okay, let's get into it. Both of them. Okay, so next we play the England's Gambit. England's Gambit accepted. We're gonna play knight c6, knight f3. Great. Yeah. I told we'll look at the knight variation in the next video. So not the best chess match I ever had, so we're gonna resign and play the England's Gambit again. D4. England Gambit. Attack the queen. This is the card's opening. Attack the queen again. By the way, if you don't know, I'm actually playing on friendly mode, so it will be easier for me to play the bots. Because I never play on challenge mode because 250 rated bot Modern also gets like pretty grandmasterish. I think it's gonna take. Interesting. He seriously didn't take it. We can do a 4K, so I'm gonna keep moving. Take that. Three-way fork, but not the best. Okay, another color. Yep, that was the England Gambit declined, or the card is with the card is opening. I accepted that gambit too. Okay, so I think guys this is where I'll end the video. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, then hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to know when new videos are uploaded. Bye for today.